The RRB budget is getting slashed. How will that affect you? Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Whiteboard. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today I want to talk about the impending budget cuts that are coming to the Railroad Retirement Board. All right, and then the effect that it's going to have as it trickles down into railroad retirees, disability applications, survivor applications, all those type of things are going to be affected. So I just wanted to set you up so that way you're planned for it and adjust accordingly, I guess. So the 2025 budget is going to be a 21% decrease from the 2024 budget. So the RRB requested $172 million. The president requested $134 million, but the House allocated $100 million. So it's, as you can tell, it's going to be less amount of money. They'll sort out exactly what that's going to be, but it's not going to be what they requested, that's for sure. So I just want to let you know how you can plan for that. So here's some of the service cuts that they're talking about. So longer wait times, figure 2.5 hours on the phone when you go out to reach them, right? So, you got to make a day of it. I always tell that to people. If you're going to call them, just make a day of it. 30 to 35% answer call rate. That's kind of similar to that. Maybe some RRB offices might get closed down, right? Ones that you were kind of used to going to, they might go away, right? So that's something to think about. Then you're also going to have longer application processing times, right? So maybe you're putting in for retirement or a disability application. I hear they're running out to 18 months now on disability applications, so that's going to be longer. And then if you didn't do the application correctly, right? Delays in the correction process. So when you put in those applications, I would double check, triple check, make sure they're all done. And then, you have your potential cybersecurity risks. Maybe, they're cutting corners a little bit on cybersecurity. I don't know that, but, that's something to think about, right, as the dollars aren't at what they once were. And then also no Railroad Retirement Board officials will be traveling, right? So there's some of those pre-retirement seminars you see out there. As far as I know, that they're not going to be looking to do those because there's not going to be any traveling. So, or maybe an RRB official to a union function, they might be talking there. The traveling is not in the budget right now. So this is what's going on. I thought I'd just bring this up, get you ready. When you do have to reach out to the Railroad Retirement Boards, kind of set everybody's expectations on what they can expect going forward. And this will probably be the way it is until something else changes. All right, so I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to click on the notification bell to get the latest video. Please subscribe to the channel. Until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.